Hello, I'm Dr. Aune, and I'm a professor in the English department and director of the honors program here at CalU. I wanted to start by thanking Bridget for inviting me to make this video and be a small part of the campus closet. It's a terrific program and it's a terrific idea. Looking for a job is nerve-wracking enough, but all the things that go into preparing for an interview, I think, only make things worse. So I'm here first and foremost to talk about what I know, bow ties, but also to say a few things about dressing for an interview, whether it be for a job or a scholarship or a graduate school or whatever. I decided I wanted to be a college professor when I was an undergraduate, and so I paid attention to what my professors wore. They all had a variety of styles, but each seemed to show a bit of confidence and a bit of individuality. When I was in graduate school, working on my dissertation, one of my advisors wore bow ties. He told me that he started doing it when he got his first university job. He wanted to stand out from the rest of the professors, and he said that it worked. The university professor always remembered his name. So I got my first bow tie. The big secret about bow ties is that they're quite easy to tie. Those of us who wear them try to make it seem super complicated so that we look super talented. It's really the same knot as you use to tie your shoes. And so pull the two ends and it comes undone, and there. So always start when you tie a bow tie with the ends at equal length around your neck. I'm right-handed, so I put the right side over the left and around the back to make the first knot, and then use my left hand to make a loop on the left side. And this is the tricky part. Put the top part over, switch hands, and then push it through behind like that. And then lots and lots of little adjustments and tugs. And so one loop on the left side with a single strand there, and then the single strand on top on the right, and the loop behind there. I won't lie, it takes practice. The first few times I wore a bow tie, it took 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes of tying it and retying it in front of the bathroom mirror. Never quite get it straight. It was only after a month or so of doing it every day that I had any kind of confidence in how they looked. Now for a little advice, confidence and comfort. I think confidence is important for interviews, and even if you don't feel confident, you can at least appear that way. Oftentimes for interviews, we wear clothes that we don't wear very often. Sort of like when I was 9 years old and had to dress up to go to Thanksgiving dinner at my grandmother's. I put on clothes that I never ever wore, and so I never felt comfortable. My advice, therefore, is to spend some time in your interview clothes before you go to the interview, and not the day of the interview, but the days and the weeks going up before the interview. You don't have to wear them all day long, but the more often you wear them, the more comfortable they will feel. And the more comfortable they feel, the more confident you will look. Good luck to you on your interviews, and don't forget to let the people at the campus closet know how they go.